Hi guys!
Hi everyone,
Welcome back to another Wildside walk.
it's Johnny,
And Evie.
NHSN student naturalist, and today we are at Tyne Riverside Country Park. It's really humid, it's quite dewy, so even though it doesn't look warm, it is. If you're trying to get here by driving, there's not much signage, so be on your toes and look out for the car parks.
Yeah, or you can get the bus 22 from Granger Street in Newcastle. It takes about half an hour to get here and a 10-minute walk from the bus stop.
So we're here today to try and have a look at the chalk grassland habitat here, because it's not only a rare habitat in itself, it's really good for supporting other types of endangered insects and plants, and it's really uncommon to have up in Northumbria ways. We're also going to be attending a hunt for the 22 spot ladybird.
Yes.
This event is led by NHSN field naturalist Matthew Harrison, so we might be able to get some good ladybird shots.
Yeah.
So come along.
Yeah.
So Tyne Riverside Country Park is situated on the north side of the River Tyne, where we are right now, and it is formed on reclaimed industrial land from a previous colliery. It's a really popular park for various recreational activities like canoeing and water skiing, hiking, running, and even horseback riding.
Ooh.
Okay.
So as we've been walking down this really nice woodland trail, we've came across some garlic mustard. And one way you can tell that it is garlic mustard is if you crush up the leaf and it smells like garlic. So not mustard though, just garlic.
Just garlic.
We've also came across some herb robert, and it, I think, well, I don't know about a lot of people, but I used to get it confused with red campignon. But the difference is that herb robert only has 5 petals, where red campignon has lots.
So there is a actually surprising high amount of ecological biodiversity here. There's lots of different types of habitat. You've got the riverside, you've got these woodlands, and you've got the very rare one that I spoke about, which is chalk grassland. And there has to be very, very specific conditions for the creation of that habitat to be here. And that was facilitated by something called spetules, and they are long artificial ridges that are kind of waste products from an old wartime chemical operation, and it happened because the alkaline waste from that operation changed the soil consistency and altered the pH of it, and that made it similar to conditions more found in the south, and that allowed for the growth and development of a chalk, well, similar to a chalk grassland habitat. I don't know if it's specifically defined as it, but it has the same conditions. and because of that it's able to support lots of different types of wildlife, such as the dingy skipper, which is a really endangered type of butterfly, and because of that it's allowed Tyne Riverside Country Park to be declared a local wildlife site, or LWS.
Ta-da! So we have spent quite a few attempts trying to catch some bees, but they're quite hard to catch. But we just came across this lovely little carder bee, and you can tell it's a carder bee because he's very ginger on his body. Yeah. So we came across some buttercups, and we thought we may as well tell you the three main types of buttercups and how you can identify them. So the three main ones are meadow, creeping and bulbous, and the way you can tell the difference is that, so we've got a bulbous one here, and if you look at the sepals, they're like pointing downwards, just those bits there. And then we found some creeping buttercup, and you can tell by the leaves, they're quite small, and the stem of the creeping buttercup has ridges on it, whereas the meadow buttercup doesn't have ridges, and the leaves are a lot more lobed. It's cool. Yeah. The leaf of a creeping buttercup, and then this is the leaf of a meadow buttercup.
So on our way back to meet up with Matthew Harrison and the other attendees of the Ladybug event, we've walked past this place called the Battlefield, and it is called that because in 1640 a battle took place here called the Battle over Newburn Ford between the English and the Scottish, and it was a 2-day battle and led with the Scottish occupying Newcastle. There we go, 24 spot.
Woohoo! Try and get them. So we found these ladybirds. We don't know what they are. A little yellow one.
We're going to take them over to Matthew and the other people, see if they know what we're looking at here.
Yeah. Matthew has identified that big one is a harlequin, and then we've got that one running around is a 10 spot, and then we also have a 14 spot. Pretty cool. We took a photo on iNaturalists, and it said that it was a red admiral caterpillar. It's cool.
Good spot. I'm getting my records up today.
So these, even though they look completely different, are both 10 spot ladybirds. Even though the one on the top, you know, it's red and actually has 10 spots. This black one only has 2 red, so it can be confused with a 2 spot, but it's actually a different species of 10 spot ladybird, which is interesting.
Apparently it's called lime galls, and they are eggs of small mites, and it's on a lime tree.
Thank you so much for watching this Wildside walk at Tyne Riverside Country Park. We hope you enjoyed all the things that we saw and the information about this amazing place. We've just polished off doing the ladybird walk with Matthew, and how many 24 spots did we find?
We managed to find 10 in the end, which
10.
is pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's really nice to see how well that species is doing now. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, it's blurry. Oh, it's flown away.